Hello everyone, welcome to our English listening practice. Today we will talk about learning English. Learning English can be difficult. Sometimes the words are hard to remember. Pronunciation can be tricky too. For example, the word thought sounds different from though. This can confuse many beginners. But don't worry, there are many easy ways to learn. First, you can listen to music in English. This is fun. You can sing along and learn new words. Second, watching cartoons or movies in English helps a lot. The stories are interesting and you can see the pictures. This makes it easier to understand. Another good idea is to practice with friends. You can find friends from other countries online. There are many websites for language exchange. You can talk to them in English and learn about their culture. It is exciting to make new friends. You can ask them questions and share your experiences. This is a great way to practice speaking. Also, remember to be patient. Learning a new language takes time. Celebrate your small successes. For example, if you learn 5 new words, say "great job" to yourself. This makes learning fun. Finally, try to use English every day. You can write a diary in English or label things in your house with English words. This helps you remember. So to summarize, learning English can be hard, but it can also be easy and fun. Listen to music, watch cartoons, and make new friends. You will improve your English step by step. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, and good luck with your English learning. To speaking title: Learning English for Beginners. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English listening practice. Today we will discuss the challenges and joys of learning English. Learning English can be difficult for many beginners. Sometimes the grammar rules are confusing. For example, the present simple tense is easy, but the past tense can be tricky. You might forget to add ed to some verbs. This can make speaking and writing hard. However, there are many easy ways to make learning English fun. One great method is to listen to podcasts or watch videos. There are many channels that teach English in a simple way. You can learn new words and phrases while enjoying interesting stories. Another fun way to practice English is through games. There are many language games online that you can play alone or with friends. These games help you learn vocabulary and improve your skills without feeling stressed. Making friends from other countries is also a fantastic way to practice English. You can use social media or language exchange websites to find people who want to learn your language. You can chat with them in English and help each other. This is a great opportunity to learn about different cultures too. Don't forget that practice is very important. Try to speak English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. You can talk to yourself, describe your day, or read out loud. This will help you become more comfortable with the language. Remember to be patient with yourself. Learning a new language takes time, and it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Celebrate your progress no matter how small it is. In summary, learning English has its challenges, but it can also be fun and exciting. Use podcasts, play games, and make friends to practice. With time and practice, you will improve your English skills. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing and enjoy your English learning journey. Follow me! B1 speaking title: Learning English for Beginners. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English listening practice. Today we will talk about the challenges and benefits of learning English, especially for beginners. Learning English can sometimes be quite challenging. For many learners, understanding grammar rules can be difficult. Tenses, for instance, can confuse new students. It's essential to practice using different tenses in sentences so you feel more comfortable speaking. Additionally, vocabulary can be overwhelming. There are so many words to learn. However, there are many ways to make learning English easier and more enjoyable. One effective method is to immerse yourself in the language. Watching movies or TV shows in English can help you pick up new phrases and improve your listening skills. Choose shows that interest you and consider using subtitles. This way, you can see the words while you listen. Another fun way to learn is through games and apps. There are many language learning apps that use gamification to make studying enjoyable. You can compete with friends or challenge yourself, making the process feel less like work and more like play. Making friends from other countries is also a fantastic way to practice your English. In today's global world, connecting with people from different cultures is easier than ever. You can find language exchange partners on websites or social media. By chatting with them, you can improve your speaking skills and learn about their cultures. This experience can be exciting and eye-opening. Daily life also offers great opportunities for practice. Try to speak English in your everyday activities. For example, you can describe what you are doing while cooking or shopping. Talking to yourself in English may feel strange at first, but it helps you think in the language. Finally, remember that patience is key. Learning a new language is a journey that takes time and effort. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. If you learn 5 new words or have a conversation with a friend, give yourself credit. In conclusion, while learning English has its difficulties, it can also be a fun and rewarding experience. By immersing yourself in the language, using games and making friends, you can improve your skills. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of learning. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, and good luck with your English studies. B2. Speaking title: Learning English for Beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English listening practice. Today we will explore the challenges and rewards of learning English, particularly for beginners. For many people, learning English can be a daunting task. One major challenge is the complexity of English grammar. Unlike some languages, English has many irregular verbs and exceptions to rules that can confuse beginners. It's essential to practice these rules in context to build a solid foundation. However, there are also numerous ways to make learning English more manageable and enjoyable. One effective strategy is to immerse yourself in the language. Watching English movies or listening to podcasts can greatly enhance your understanding. Choose content that you find interesting. This way, you will be motivated to engage with the language. Subtitles can be useful, especially at the beginning, as they help you connect spoken and written English. Another excellent way to learn is through interactive apps and games. Many language learning platforms offer engaging activities that can make studying feel like a game rather than a chore. Competing with friends or setting personal challenges can keep you motivated and make learning fun. Building connections with people from different countries is a fantastic opportunity to practice your English. In our globalized world, it's easier than ever to meet new friends online. Language exchange websites and social media platforms can help you find partners who want to improve their English while helping you with your native language. This interaction not only improves your speaking skills, but also allows you to learn about diverse cultures and perspectives. Daily life provides ample chances to practice English. You can incorporate the language into your routine by describing your activities or thoughts in English. For instance, when you go grocery shopping, try to name the items in English. This practical application reinforces what you learn and helps you think in the language. Lastly, it's crucial to be patient with yourself. Language learning is a gradual process, and it's perfectly normal to encounter difficulties along the way. Celebrate your progress, whether it's mastering a tricky grammar point or having a conversation with a friend. Each step forward is an achievement worth acknowledging. In summary, while learning English presents certain challenges, it can also be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. By immersing yourself in the language, utilizing technology, and connecting with others, you can enhance your skills effectively. Embrace the journey and enjoy every moment of your learning experience. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing and best of luck with your English studies. Don't forget to follow and turn on notifications for new videos and practice exercises. C1. Speaking title: Navigating the Challenges and Rewards of Learning English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our advanced English listening practice. Today we will delve into the complexities of learning English, especially for beginners, while also highlighting the potential joys and benefits of this journey. For many newcomers, learning English can be a formidable challenge. The intricacies of English grammar, such as irregular verbs and nuanced tenses, can often feel overwhelming. Additionally, the vast vocabulary and idiomatic expressions present another layer of difficulty. This can lead to frustration, especially for those who are accustomed to more straightforward languages. However, understanding these complexities is crucial for achieving fluency. Despite these challenges, there are numerous strategies to make the learning process more accessible and enjoyable. One effective approach is to integrate English into your daily life. Surrounding yourself with the language, whether through watching films, reading books, or listening to podcasts, can facilitate immersion. Engaging with a variety of media allows learners to encounter diverse contexts and uses of the language, reinforcing their understanding and retention. Moreover, technology has revolutionized language learning. Numerous apps and online platforms provide interactive lessons and games that can make the educational experience both stimulating and engaging. Many of these tools incorporate gamification, which can enhance motivation and foster a sense of achievement. Building relationships with individuals from various cultural backgrounds is another valuable way to practice English. In our interconnected world, there are countless opportunities to connect with people globally. Language exchange programs and online communities allow learners to converse with native speakers, offering real-world practice that is invaluable. These interactions not only improve language skills, but also broaden cultural horizons, enriching one's perspective. Daily life offers countless opportunities for practice as well. Simple actions like journaling in English or narrating your thoughts throughout the day can significantly enhance fluency. This habit encourages learners to think in English, which is a vital step toward achieving proficiency. It is also essential to consider the role of education and professional environments in language acquisition. Many individuals pursue English to enhance their career prospects, as English proficiency is often a requirement in international workplaces. Understanding business jargon and professional communication styles can significantly impact one's career trajectory. Therefore, investing time in improving English can yield considerable long-term benefits. Lastly, patience and resilience are key in this journey. Language learning is not a linear process. It involves peaks and valleys. It's vital to celebrate small victories along the way, whether it's grasping a challenging concept or successfully engaging in conversation. These milestones serve as motivation to continue striving for improvement. In conclusion, while the path to learning English can be fraught with challenges, it is equally filled with rewarding experiences. By immersing yourself in the language, leveraging technology, and forging connections with others, you can enhance your English skills effectively. Embrace the complexities and enjoy the journey of discovery that comes with mastering a new language. Thank you for listening. Keep pushing your boundaries, and best of luck in your English learning endeavours. Don't forget to follow and turn on notifications for new videos and practice exercises. C2 level listening, navigating life, work, and academia in a rapidly changing world. Welcome to this C2 level listening exercise, where we'll explore modern life, balancing work, personal growth, and keeping up with a fast-paced, evolving world. Whether you're navigating your career, academic demands, or day-to-day life, one thing is clear. The world is moving faster than ever, and high-level communication skills, especially in English, are essential. In today's global society, English isn't just a language, it's the key to unlocking opportunities, making connections, and staying ahead of trends. Why is mastering English at an advanced level so important, and why should you invest your time in improving your skills with this channel? Let's start with daily life. We live in an age of convenience. Technology has made it possible to manage everything from food orders to finances and communication with people around the world, all with a tap. But what drives this revolution? The tech world is dominated by English. The better your grasp of English, the more you can leverage these tools. Think of AI assistants like Siri or Alexa. Interacting with these technologies requires English, and a strong command of the language lets you actively shape how these tools work for you. Now, let's talk about work life. If you're aiming to work globally or in a multinational environment, English is non-negotiable. The future of work is changing fast with remote working, digital nomads, and the rise of the gig economy. Platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, and Fiverr connect professionals from all over the world in English. Whether you're negotiating contracts or presenting ideas, advanced English sets you apart and allows you to engage in complex discussions that can shape your career. Moreover, companies today prioritize sustainability and social responsibility. Global issues like climate change, diversity, and data privacy are hot topics in international business. If you want to contribute to these discussions, having advanced English helps you communicate and influence change on a global stage. When it comes to the academic world, English is the language of international academia. If you're aiming to contribute to top journals or research fields, publications like Nature or The Lancet are primarily in English. Reading, understanding, and engaging with these materials requires a high level of fluency. Advanced English doesn't just help you consume information, it enables you to contribute to academic discussions and make your mark. Now, let's discuss a massive shift happening in online education. Platforms like Coursera and EDX are revolutionizing learning, and most courses are delivered in English. Whether it's microlearning or personalised learning paths, these platforms offer lifelong education. If you want to keep up with this trend and stay competitive, mastering advanced English is a must. So, why choose my channel to improve your English? Many platforms focus on the basics, grammar and vocabulary, but my channel goes beyond that. It's designed for people who want to push their boundaries and achieve fluency. I provide challenging, real-world listening exercises that prepare you for complex conversations in business, academia, and daily life. What sets this channel apart is the focus on current trends. Whether it's AI innovations, the impact of climate change, or changes in work-life balance post-pandemic, my content keeps you informed, engaged, and inspired to continue improving. It's not just about learning the language, it's about understanding the world around you. In conclusion, learning English at a C2 level isn't just about perfecting language skills, it's about preparing for a world that's evolving rapidly. With advanced English, you'll open doors to new opportunities, engage with cutting-edge ideas, and position yourself for success in life, work, and academia. Thanks for tuning in to Quick English Test, where your journey to English mastery continues. Don't forget to follow and turn on notifications for new videos and practice exercises.